Hello and welcome back everyone. This is Mr. Nikul and you are at the channel Cool Professor Nikul. So today we'll be studying anti-malarial agents. So what are anti-malarial agents? Anti-malarial agents are the agents or the drugs that are used for the treatment to prevent the malarial disease. The classification is basically on depending upon the site of action and chemical basis. So let's study based on chemical site of action, sporozoites or sporozoitocytes, that is drugs effective on sporozoites, which is under the category of depending upon the site of action. Examples are pyrimethamine, tissue sporocytes, drugs effective at pre-erythrocytic stage. Example is primaquine, proguanil, pyrimethamine. Blood sporonicides, that is drugs effective at erythrocytic stage. Example is fast acting sporonicides. Example is quinine and chloroquine, amiodarone, and slow acting sporonicides are proguanil and pyrimethamine. Gametocides are drugs that is effective on gametes. Example primaquine and quinine. Classification based on a chemical basis. The first one is quinoline derivatives. Alkaloids, example quinine. Four aminoquinolines, quinolones, example is chloroquine, amidaquine. Eight aminoquinolones, example is primaquine, and acridines, G aminoacridine, example is mepacrine. Then bigonides or bigonidines, example is proguanil. Pyrimidine derivatives or diaminopyrimidines, example is pyrimethamine and trimethoprim. This is the structure of chloroquine phosphate, and this is the IUPAC. Stability and the storage is basically keep away from the light as it gets decolored in presence of sunlight. Hence, it is stored in a well closed and light resistant container. Uses are suppress and cure malaria, amoebic hepatitis, giardiasis, and rheumatoid arthritis. It is available in phosphate tablets, injections, syrups, sulfate tablets, injections, and brand names are ciplaquine, amibiotic, nevaquine, mefloquine. This is the structure, and IUPAC is this one. Stability and the storage is keep away from light and moisture, used in the treatment of malaria. Mefloquine tablets are available, and popular brand names are Mefq, Confal, Lariam, and Facetal. Quinine sulfate, stability storage, stored in a well-closed light-resistant container, used in treatment of complicated malaria. It is indicated for the treatment of cerebral malaria. Then myotonia congenita. Then it is available in the tablet form, that is quinine sulfate tablets, quinine bisulfate tablets, hydrochloride tablets, and quinine dihydrochloride injections. Vigotab and Flufo are the brand names. Then let us go with the primaquine phosphate. The stability and the storage is same. Uses are used as an anti-malarial, having tissue sezonticides and gametocide activity, mainly used in radial cure of Plasmodium vivax infection, and tablets are available, and Irelon is the popular brand name. Cycloguanil store away from the light, and it is used extensively as a clinical curative for vivax malaria. Proguanil tablets are available, and popular brand names are Proguamal, Paludrine, and Malaron. Pyrimethamine, stability and the storage is same, and uses are primary tissue sezonticiide, and with sulfadoxine or dapsone. It is used to enhance anti-malarial activity. Pyrimethamine tablets are available, and with the sulfadoxine tablets is available, and in combination with sulfadoxine injection is also available. Popular brand names are Pyralfin, Daraprim, and Only 2. Artemisinin, light resistant container, it is the storage condition, and the uses is it has been used in trial studying the treatment of malaria, schizophrenia, and falciparum. Pharmaceutical formulations are mainly artemisinin capsules. Okay, thank you and have a good day.